Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are like me and still love your old school media, then this little stereo from Studebaker is going to blow you away. I still love listening to a cassette or a CD and the radio, of course, and this little stereo does it all. Not only does it give you the modern conveniences of Bluetooth, but it gives you all of the old school touches. You can listen to cassettes, CDs, the radio, AM, FM, and plug in your auxiliary cord or just listen to Bluetooth with it. It works so incredibly well, and I love that it is nice and small, so it doesn't take up a lot of real estate, but it also is extremely portable. So you can bring this around the house with you, outside, wherever you are, and listen to all of your old favorites. Not everything has been digitized, and I love that you get that great nostalgia with it. Not only is this thing so cute, but I love that I finally have something to listen to all of my old things on. I couldn't be happier with this little stereo, and that's my point of view.